Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the handle assembly and avoiding guesswork. Remove visible screws and pry off any trim caps. Once done, you'll reveal the rose and spindle. Use a flashlight to inspect for a retaining pin or set screw. Those often hide behind the rose. If a screw resists, apply penetrating lubricant and wait a few minutes. Make sure to note the orientation of the spindle and latch before full disassembly so reassembly restores alignment. Once the rose is off, you can remove the handle and slide the spindle free to inspect wear points. Look for rounded splines or a sheared set screw. These explain loose handles. Check the latch bolt and striker plate. Poor alignment causes binding. If holes are stripped, you'll need longer screws or a wood filler/repair insert to restore purchase. Replace the spindle or handle mechanism if splines are damaged. Make sure replacement parts match the measurement and spline pattern. Reassemble the handle paying attention to the original orientation photos and tighten screws evenly. Hand tight first, then snug with the proper driver. Once assembled, operate the handle through 10 to 15 full cycles to seat components and confirm smooth action. If the latch binds, adjust the striker plate incrementally and test between moves. If the handle wobbles, ensure the set screw engages the spindle flat and consider a thread locker for security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.